Hey everybody, Brockboyd, CMI, and today I want to talk about the state of the job market in Q2 of 2024, at least as it primarily pertains to the market that we are most tied to, which is technology and specifically technology sales in our world. But what I'm going to talk about here is a graph that you can find on LinkedIn, and LinkedIn is a very good representation for a few market segments, particularly technology sales and technology in general, and it is probably leaving out a lot from things like leisure and hospitality, government hiring, and a lot of traditional healthcare hiring are less likely to transpire on LinkedIn, at least at this point in time. So this is a really good barometer if you're in technology, sales, or certain other professional positions that are not captured within leisure and hospitality, government, healthcare, etc. If you want to see this chart yourself, basically go to Google, type in LinkedIn employment report, then you're going to see something that says LinkedIn's economic graph and workforce data. Click on that, and then go to the tab that says LinkedIn workforce report. Click on that, and then click on workforce report April 2024. And that should, when you scroll down, you should see a chart that looks like this. This is my crude attempt to replicate the same thing. So this is the hiring rate on the left. So the higher it is, the more hiring is happening, and the lower it is, the less hiring is happening. And this is months. So this red line here, ending with March of 2024, is representing the present level of hiring and the previous 12 months. And then this black line here is representing the 12 months prior to that. So this takes us all the way back to approximately March of 2022. So as you can see, there was a pretty substantial slowdown in hiring in 2022 through the course of that year, and especially, working its way through to the end of the year. And then in the most recent 12 months, there has still been a little bit of a downward trend, but it's much less severe. It looks more like flattening out and bottoming out here in the more recent 12 months. But you can see that our rate of hiring is still substantially below where it was at the high point, which would probably be Q1 or Q2 of 2022. So my personal take on everything here that you see is that, this represents what we're seeing and we have been seeing for the past 18 months in the marketplace. Seems like a good representation of that. And I personally, looking forward, I don't predict that we are suddenly going to have this hockey stick back up. I think that 2021 and the first half of 2022 were unusually robust hiring, and we're highly unlikely to see that level of hiring again anytime soon. I feel that the new normal, which we hopefully will push into here in the next few months, is going to look and feel more like it did between about 2010 and 2019, which is a healthy job market and a healthy pace of hiring. It's just not nearly as breakneck as it was in 2021 and 2022. So for those of you feeling like you're reading overall jobs numbers and unemployment rates and so on that seem to not jive what you're experiencing in the marketplace, this chart from LinkedIn might be really helpful, so that you're kind of not alone, not going crazy in terms of what you're experiencing out there. But I do believe that the good news here is that the severe drop has discontinued. We've now got a very mild drop through the course of the year, and I do believe that we are poised without any kind of major event or across the board hardcore recession. I believe that we are poised to start picking up here in the next few months. And as I said, my personal opinion would be head back to the new normal being the old normal of 2010 to 2019, not getting all the way back to where we were in 21 and first half of 22. That's it for today. Happy hunting.